I'm Rod Harper with Henna Hut, and today we're going to do deep red. We've already mixed the henna just by adding a cup of water to a cup and a quarter of water. Just want to make it nice and smooth to the consistency of pudding, and then you want to apply it to your hair in even layers. Okay, so today with the deep red, we're doing Kelly's hair. She's got a dark brown, which is one of the biggest questions we get, what it's going to look like with dark brown doing a red or a deep red. So as you can see, it's not super dark, but it's definitely on the dark side. So we're going to apply it to her hair and show you what it looks like afterwards once we're done. You just want to brush it on evenly. And make sure you do layers. And if you miss a spot, no big deal. You just need to go back and just hit that one spot and redo it. Leave it on for no more than 1 hour. If you want, with red, you can mix lemon in with it. We don't recommend anything else but water. There's a lot of myths about metal bowls and things like that. Actually, in India, they will tell you to mix your pure henna with a metal bowl because it activates more red. There's a lot of things on the internet going around saying that metal bowls are bad. This is just a myth, and whether you use a plastic bowl or metal, the difference is going to be staining the bowl and not staining the bowl. You don't want to worry about it if you get it on your ears. No problem. It may stain a little bit, but by the next morning, the stain will be gone. Same thing with the face and the hairline. Don't try to use any kind of Vaseline or anything like that, because that'll actually enhance the stain to stay on your skin. So just do it naturally. If you get it on your skin, don't worry, it will come off. That's what it looks like after you get done applying the hair dye. Once again, this is deep red, and it's nice and even, nice and thick. It's basically a mud pack for your hair. It's going to make it super soft, get rid of your split ends, and make your hair thicker and shinier. Okay, it's been exactly 1 hour, so we're going to rinse out the hair dye. You're going to see a lot of red coming out, which is normal. And if you've used chemical hair dyes, your hair may bleed for a week. It all depends on the protein in your hair and how much your hair absorbs the color. But don't freak out on the color. It's not going to stain your clothes. It's not going to stain your towels. It'll wash out. You don't want to use any shampoo or anything for at least 48 hours. If you have to, you can use a cream conditioner to get the tangles out. But or if you can't make it the full 48 hours, you can do it in 24 hours. If it comes out too red or too bright, then go ahead and wash it the next morning. So here we are, 1 hour after we just rinsed the hair out and dried it. And as you can see, it's a real deep color with like a cherry red, basically, which is exactly what we thought it would be, and exactly the color, and it looks absolutely awesome. So there you go. For more information, go to hennahut.com. This is a Harvest Moon hair dye.